Welcome guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can enter pairing mode in your QCY T5. Okay, so first of all, you have to be sure that they are turned off. How to find it? You can just click right here on each button, and if this indicator below it's not activate, it means that your device is turned on. So right now, to move them to the pairing mode, we have to click and hold this arena, this touch control panel, until this indicator at the bottom, right here from left or the right earbud, start blinking on the green and the red. As you can see on the left one, it starts blinking, so we can release this touch control panel. Right now, when you go for the paired new device, they will appear right here, and that's how we can make it. That's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.